Today during your PWS lesson, you worked on dividing words into different syllables. You discussed how dividing syllables helps you figure out words that are longer and a little bit more difficult into more manageable parts that you are able to figure out. Today, you're going to read the words that are in the last column, break each word into syllables, say each individual syllable, and type each word part in the correct column. Submit on Schoology when you are finished. For instance, our first word is the word thankful. When I say and clap the word thankful, I know that it is into two syllables. Thankful. So I am going to go to the first column and begin by typing the word thank. And my second syllable is the word full. And then I will go back to the first column, press enter, and I will do that for the word forgotten. I will do that for stove, alligator, company, and transportation. Remember to submit on Schoology when finished.